Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm about to head out the door and I'm going to be showing you guys today an apartment tour in the Upper East Side for $2,400. So this is a large 1-bedroom apartment and it has a private patio as well. So I don't even know what the apartment looks like yet. I'm really excited to see it and I'm going to bring you guys along and show you guys what you can get in New York City, because I feel like people are always asking me what the cost is to live here and what you can get for what price, and I've been doing a whole TikTok series on it, but I'm gonna also post on YouTube, so I'll show you guys a little more detailed what you can get in New York City for that price point. And also on the way back I'm gonna stop at Baked by Melissa, and then I have a really delicious dinner tonight, so I'm just gonna bring you guys along for the day today and show you guys what I'm up to, this apartment tour, what I'm getting for food, and the whole shebang. And also Darko is here, so he's gonna be staying in my room while I go. But I'm gonna walk him later and hang out with him a little later. So yeah, that's my day. Let's get going on the subway and head to the Upper East Side.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
Alright guys, just got to the apartment and had a look around, and it is honestly so nice. So I'm gonna just give you guys a quick tour. So when you walk in, it's a little messy because I think they're fixing something over there, but you have a nice amount of space in the kitchen and you have this floating island. So that's a really good sized kitchen for New York, I'm not gonna lie. This is like definitely above average. You could have bar stools here and I think it's pretty cute, definitely newly updated. And then you walk over here and there's a large amount of living space. So this is great. And you also have those sliding doors, so it's more like a 1-bedroom with a living space. And you also have this really nice sized closet here. And then you walk back here. But yeah, this is the room. So there's a good amount of room here. Another closet, which is nice. And then this is the beautiful part about this apartment. It has a full outside area, and as you can see, this is like really great for a barbecue or like seats during the summer, chairs, a picnic table, whatever it is. There's little plants, and this is the view from out here, typical New York buildings. And also it's not that great of a day today, it's not that nice out today, but when it's nice, I'm sure this is really great with the tanning. It's honestly just great to have an outside area. If you see over there, I don't know if you could tell, but they have like a full picnic table, and then the people over here have a barbecue. So you can really do anything with this space, which I like. So I'm gonna show you guys one more look going this way. Alrighty, look what I just got from Baked by Melissa. Here's my Chipotle bowl, and obviously had to get guac. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I got this huge pack, and then I also got the original pack, but I'm so excited to try these. This is the spring one, and I'm gonna open it, but I think I'm only gonna open one for now because obviously I'm gonna eat them all if I open both. They look so good. All right guys, I just gave Becca one of each and she is loving them over there. So I am now going to do a taste test. So first we have this one with a marshmallow. I'm pretty sure it's a s'mores one. Oh my god, they're just all so good. This is the all chocolate one. I mean, they're just all gonna be amazing. Yeah, that's the verdict. They're just all incredible.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, I am headed to the Speakeasy at the Garret and to dinner with my friends Meg and Audrey from the VIP list. This is what I'm wearing, just, you know, something basic, and I'm gonna bike over on the electric bike now. You have to go into the Five Guys to get here, so we're gonna go inside. Vlogging the vlog. Oh, the We just finished at the Garrett and we are headed to White Horse Tavern. This place is supposed to be so good. It's been around for I think over 100. I know it's been over 100 years. I don't know
a long time.
Yeah, I don't know the specific amount, but
behind for me.
Meg is wearing heels right now, so she can't walk as fast as us. But we are, I think, 4 blocks away, so we will be there soon. And we're really excited to eat their delicious food. Alright guys, so I just went to Whole Foods for the first time in a really long time because I haven't been in New York in a while. So I am going to unpack and do, I have 2 bags, and do a quick little grocery haul and show you guys what I got for my weekly groceries this week. So this is everything that I got. I got some rosemary sourdough bread, a bunch of just random veggies, this Kite Hill sour cream because I want to make tacos tonight, which is why I got some of the other stuff, and I just wanted to try this as a healthier alternative. I'm not vegan or anything, obviously, but this looked good and it was on sale, so I'm trying this. I got some stuff to make salad, stuff for my smoothies, teriyaki, some of this hazelnut spread for dessert, creamer, bacon, lemons, and then I also got these 2 Just Waters. I went to Press Juicery too, so I got those, some steak, cilantro, more veggies and toppings, eggs, and some pineapple because if you know me, you know I love my pineapple tacos. So I'm gonna make a quick lunch right now and then dinner later. I'll show you guys what I'm making, but these are all the groceries that I got for the week. So I got a couple packages in. As you can see, I have these 3. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing and show you guys what I got. I honestly don't even remember what I ordered or if I got sent something. So you guys are just gonna unbox with me and we will find out. So from Public Goods, they sent this surface cleaner, which is just supposed to be healthy with, you know, no parabens, natural fragrance, cruelty-free and all of that, which I love. And then we got this Public Goods hand soap, also the same, and it has no, I think like nothing synthetic or anything. This is the deodorant, crystal deodorant spray, and this is aluminum free and all natural, which is something that I am really cautious about because I only like to wear natural deodorant unless I'm doing like a crazy workout or something, but that even then I'll still wear natural deodorant usually. And then they also sent me some chocolate almonds and some hot cocoa, which I'm so excited about because it's freezing in New York right now and I'm probably gonna make some hot cocoa tonight. So let's open the next package now. So in the next package, I got 2 candles and a room spray from L'Oreal Naturals. So this is the Island Fantasy scent and it smells so good. But I really, really love this citrus and jasmine scent. And this one smells absolutely amazing. Can't wait to light it later. And then she also sent this dreamy room spray with notes of cotton blossom, lily of the valley, violet, and musk. It smells so good. I'm gonna spray this all the time. So that was the second package. Now let's open the third. All right, this is the third package, so let's see what's inside this one. Wi-Fi, oh, I actually ordered this for myself. These are Wi-Fi smart bulbs, and you replace your normal bulb in your house, and you put these in, and it makes your room a really cool color. So thanks for unboxing with me and hope you guys enjoyed. It's now later in the day and I told you guys I was going to show you what I'm making for dinner. So this is what I made. I didn't record the process, but I'm having zucchini noodles with tomatoes, olive oil, a little bit of salt and lemon, and then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese shreds on top. And this meal is so good. It's one of my favorites. And I have a spiralizer, which is how I make the zucchini noodles, but it's super simple and quick. So I highly recommend making this, but that's all I wanted to show you guys for today. I'm gonna record the rest of the week, but I didn't do much today. I just made my dinner and I went grocery shopping for the week. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm up to the rest of the time later this week, so stay tuned for that. I have some really fun stuff happening. Just wanted to show you guys an average day. I'm just working a lot today and trying to catch up on some editing and stuff. So this is my dinner.